the new education policy empowers the student. This is one. It gives you a mobility. Please mind my words and lock it. It allows you the mobility. The third most important part is that I can pursue and choose my subjects as per my interest area. What the new education policy they have introduced is that choice-based credit system, CBCS. Although this was in the talks and a little bit earlier, now the student can pursue and can have a foreign, say, assignments and postings and maybe the placements with the multinational companies. This is one of the way, the choice-based credit system. Along with, there are, say, suppose if I talk about little bit in more detail, suppose some logistics and supply chain management. This is a broad topic. There can be several more topics like inventory management and a few more things. I can opt as per my choice which course that I would like to pursue during my, say, post-graduation. So this is one of the bottom line. The second part is the NEP, I said that it empowers the students. How does it do that? So the first thing that you must know that all the undergraduate programs, they have been converted into a 4-year program. Fine. So suppose what happens is if a student say drops out after 1 year of his graduation because of several reasons. So usually under the current education system, I may not have anything to showcase or add on to my CV, but still under the new education policy, I will be awarded, if I drop out, I will be awarded a certificate. After 2 years, it is a diploma. After 3 years, it's a bachelor's degree. And if I happen to complete the 4 years, then I will be granted or will be conferred the bachelor's degree with honors and research.